Hey, I'm Scott with Accurate Marine Electronics. Welcome to our show, which we hope is going to be a continuation of new products and tech tips. Today, we have a new product by Thomas Hilton, and most of you anglers and boaters out there know, Thomas Hilton's nautical charts. He's come out with a new product. It's called Sat2Nav, and this is going to be a game changer for fishermen. That just going to help you locate what you're looking for, and we're going to go through it a little bit. Right now, this system only works with Garmin 8000 and 9000 series systems, Furuno TZT 3, and Raymarine Axiom XL. These units generally are going to be 16 inches or bigger, and they do require an HDMI input as well as a USB input. The USB input is going to control your touchscreen, and HDMI comes out of the device into your screen. The Sat2Nav basically is a computer in a box. It has its own proprietary software, has a Wi-Fi reception, then HDMI out. It does have a hardwired Ethernet in Wi-Fi antenna. It's designed to go with Starlink because the latency on Starlink is so fast. You can use your phone's hotspot. Obviously, you're limited to 20 miles offshore before you lose your phone signal. We do have a Starlink system here. Obviously, it's not connected because it's under a roof and wouldn't be getting a signal. This is just the standard. It's not the high performance system, but we do have these available in the marine platforms. But we'll get into that another time. So basically, we got the 8616. We've got the system connected to it. So on a Garmin, we're just going to go to our home button and then to our vessel. Here, we're going to select our video input, and we have our Sat2Nav. First thing we're going to need to do is go to this options button, and here you're going to see turns USB touch out. It's already turned on because I've been using it, but you would turn it off, you're not going to have any touchscreen availability. Turn it back on, and now your touchscreen works. Sat2Nav added a couple features to it. You have a web browser, you have WhatsApp, Spotify, you have Netflix, Hulu, ESPN, Instagram, and Facebook. So we're going to go back here, and we're going to go to Sat2Nav, and up comes his home screen. Once you've logged in, which obviously I'm already logged in, you're going to just hit return to navigation. I have two regions. We have shop in Key West, and we have a shop in Florida's Treasure Coast. So I have two separate maps. Currently we are in the Treasure Coast area, so I'm going to choose this map, and it's going to load that for me, and it's ready. Now we're going to hit the navigate button. This is actually 3D bathymetric charts. You can use it for navigation. You can select waypoints. You'll see that I have a few waypoints in here. So this region goes all the way from like Brunswick, Georgia down to Fort Lauderdale. It's going to come in right to me. We're on land, so it kind of puts me in the middle of nowhere. But I can come over here, zoom out, and we can go all the way into the Bahamas. If you like shark fishing, you can go over here to Memory Rock. You can go all the way up St. Augustine. So we're going to come down here, get back to where I am, zoom in a little bit. So you see you got good contours, shaded relief. Now here's where it gets fun. Part of your subscription, you come up here, three little dots, hit that. Now you're going to go to rtnav.com. RTNav, I have two regions. We're going to select East Florida because that's where we are. And it's going to come up with the standard 3D bottom chart. Just like any regular screens, you can zoom in, look at your contours, zoom out, scroll. You can set waypoints, you can create waypoints. now what we do is over here on the left-hand side, we're now tied into NOAA. We can go in and see sea temperatures. And it's going to come up with not only current, but you can go back 7 days. So if you want to see how that water temperature is moving, and you want to find a target, you can say, okay, it's moving at this rate. I want to be there. You leave in your home port. You can go ahead and fix your, your designation, put it on your chart plotter, and go away. So we're just going to pick one of these. It's going to come up here. And now you see sea temperatures. We can adjust these some. If we take this, I'm going to knock this down to 79. I'm going to pull this up to something reasonable. Hit the adjust button. It's going to load up. It's going to give us a little more definition because we're tightening up that range. So what you see in black, that's going to be below 55 degrees. Then you get into your temperatures. Reds are being warm. You can get rid of this. You see a temperature scale on the right side. So 77 is pretty hot. We want to come back here. Let's make this up to 82. It's going to reload again. Now we see a little bit more. You still got your cold spots where it's deeper water, or shallower inland waters, but these are all controllable. Now if I want to, I can come over here, I can save this map. So now it's saved. Now I can go other options, altimetry. So this gives you surface heights, whether it's wave heights, land heights, same thing, this whole area. The one I like the best is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll readings, we're going to go into the NASA model. This is going to come in here. Chlorophyll, most of you anglers know, that little green spot is what you want. I can sit there and go, okay, that's where all the plankton is. That's the warm water. That's where the big fish are going to be eating because all the little fish are having lunch. So let's save this map. I'm going to save that. Now, I'm going to go back here, 3 little dots, return to sat nav. So now, this little box here, we're going to tap it. And it's going to give me a split screen. I'm going to tap it one more time because I want things to go on to my right side. I'm going to tap this, which is my map that we're currently using. Now I've saved the chlorophyll map from today. It's going to populate in this right screen. Now I can come over here and now I can see where that is. Now I can go and I can say, okay, this is where I want to go. And we can go look at that. And you know the updates with NOAA. It's going to come through and update, so you can always go back. If you know you're going to get an update soon, check it. You'll be able to do that. Now we're going to go over here to the sea temperature. And now we see what the sea temperatures are looking like. Same thing. If you want that water, warmer water or the cooler water, whichever your target is, you've got it ready to go. That's it for our very first episode. There will be more to come. Remember, Sat2Nav. Check out our website. Give us a call. Get it professionally installed. Get training on the spot. Once again, check out our website below. Hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.